There's so much fun we can have today. We can run, we can jump, we can laugh and play. Come on everybody, what do you say today? Come play with DJ.
Hi, kids. Let's learn states and their capitals. Alabama, Montgomery. Alaska, Juneau. Arizona, Phoenix. Arkansas, Little Rock. California, Sacramento. Colorado, Denver. Connecticut, Hartford. Delaware, Dover. Florida, Tallahassee. Georgia, Atlanta. Hawaii, Honolulu. Idaho, Boise. Illinois, Springfield. Indiana, Indianapolis. Iowa, Des Moines. Kansas, Topeka. Kentucky, Frankfort. Louisiana, Baton Rouge. Maine, Augusta. Maryland, Annapolis. Massachusetts, Boston. Michigan, Lansing. Minnesota, St. Paul. Mississippi, Jackson. Missouri, Jefferson City. Montana, Helena. Nebraska, Lincoln. Nevada, Carson City. New Hampshire, Concord. New Jersey, Trenton. New Mexico, Santa Fe. New York, Albany. North Carolina, Raleigh. North Dakota, Bismarck. Ohio, Columbus. Oklahoma, Oklahoma City. Oregon, Salem. Pennsylvania, Harrisburg. Rhode Island, Providence. South Carolina, Columbia. South Dakota, Pierre. Tennessee, Nashville. Texas, Austin. Utah, Salt Lake City. Vermont, Montpelier. Virginia, Richmond. Washington, Olympia. West Virginia, Charleston. Wisconsin, Madison. Wyoming, Cheyenne.
Come play with DJ.